How to thicken thin hair with a natural ingredient in just a week. In this video, you will learn that coconut oil strengthens the hair from the root, prevents its fall and promotes its natural and healthy growth. So, it is possible to go from thin to thick hair with coconut oil in just a week. In addition to providing more consistency to fine hair, coconut oil helps us to nourish and repair them, while providing them with shine and not leaving them greasy. It is possible to thicken thin hair with coconut oil. Indeed, fine hair is caused by the weakening of the entire balance of the hair. This is caused by stress, environmental pollution and the use of harmful chemicals. Thin hair occurs because of neglect, hormonal imbalances and other factors that directly affect the scalp and hair. This makes the hair appear less bulky, and can cause an excessive fall, an excessive dryness and a hypersensitivity of the scalp. It is therefore important to feed the hair well. For this, it is necessary to use revitalizing products that boost their growth and shine, in order to thicken fine hair. In this video, we will recommend a 100% natural ingredient. Its properties make it possible to thicken fine hair without causing undesirable effects. Try it today. A natural ingredient for thickening thin hair. We will recommend an ingredient that is part of hundreds of alternative cosmetic treatments: organic coconut oil. This natural product, obtained from coconut pulp, is composed of medium-chain fatty acids and powerful antioxidants. These will give much better results than any artificial product. Indeed, coconut oil does not contain silicone or alcohol. In addition, its active compounds easily penetrate the fibers of damaged hair to stimulate its repair. Many people use coconut oil as an alternative to conventional conditioners. This is because its texture facilitates a good application and leaves a soft feel on the hair, without bringing excess fat. Coconut oil also has a great moisturizing capacity. It reduces the presence of dead cells, eliminates split ends and treats all problems associated with drought. Thanks to its content of essential nutrients, coconut oil strengthens the hair from the root, prevents their fall and promotes its natural and healthy growth. It allows to thicken thin hair. It has antibacterial and antifungal substances. These will inhibit the development of fungi and microorganisms that cause the formation of dandruff. It can also fight lice and nits, prevent premature white hair and reduce the overall fragility of all hair. How to prepare coconut oil to thicken thin hair. Although coconut oil is sold directly in various forms, it is best if you prepare it directly at home. You can ensure that it is of biological origin and unrefined. It is common to find some ready-made at attractive prices. However, the majority of these products do not have the same virtues as the raw and natural product. The recipe we will share with you is simple to prepare. You will be able to use it to thicken thin hair, but also to treat various skin and health problems. Ingredients and material: 2 coconuts, 1 rasp, 1 cloth filter. Instructions: first, make 2 holes in the coconuts. Then extract all the water they contain. Then cut the coconut, detach the flesh and grate it until a thin paste. Put the pulp in your fabric filter. Squeeze until all the milk comes out. After separating the milk, add the coconut water with the pulp. Wait for the 2 elements to mix well and then press the pulp again. Then put the resulting milk in a skillet. Heat over low heat and stir slowly with a wooden spoon. The heat will separate the milk from the oil. You can use a filter again to separate them. Put the oil in a glass container and use it. How to use coconut oil to thicken thin hair. To thicken thin hair with this natural product, you must use it at least 3 times a week. Instructions: take 2 spoonfuls of coconut oil, heat it in the microwave and let it soften. When you notice that it becomes liquid and once at a temperature bearable, rub it directly on your hair. Start from the middle of your hair to the ends, and do small gentle massages. Cover your hair with a plastic charlotte. Leave on for at least 40 minutes. After this time, rinse your hair with cold water. Brush them and let them air dry. If you follow this simple treatment, your hair will restructure in a very short time. Their volume will increase and their resistance to the toxins that weaken them will increase significantly. In a short time, you will have a hair more beautiful, more brilliant. You will not have those knots that often prevent you from brushing your hair properly. Try coconut oil today to go from thin to thick hair in just 1 week. To learn more about other ways to treat your hair, please click some links below this video. We really hope you like this video. Please share it with your friends. Also, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and activate the notification bell so that you will not miss our next videos. Thank you.